Balanan Sano.
Pati sako ni mo. Pagsa dayut. Ginuang na to ama.
This is a synchronized program of the government. The ladies here are the owner of the bedsets and they are businesswomen.
Vlogger. Ay, dala na ko na. Mabalik na ka muna nila.
Parang nylon puli pa. Parang nylon. Nylon plastic ba? Kapili na ko, nag-vlogger na lang ko. Kapalit na ito ba? Kami views, murag 20,000. Lapas mo nagkuhan? Wait, Ray?
Imahan yung pambot? Mga pambot?
Busiran lang.
Ato sa aloha. Ato hawag pa mo. Oy, klaro ni bali. Ana dito sa aloha.
Okay. Sa inyo din ko ano eh. Inyong ito ano eh. Page sa Utah.
Butag apel anak. Discover na.
Kaya pag napunta ka rito sa Ubay, halimbawa nagkasindre, tayo nagugutom, dito tayo pumasok sa restaurant niya. Solve yung ano, naramdaman yung...
Iya pag ano din, pag gustong matulog sa lapitra.
Sa Lapitra, mayroon din. Dito lang. Pag kayo naman naitan dito sa bed, ay ba kung yung katawan niyo? Kung sasakyan, mayroon din ito si ma'am. Ako wala kung may offer sa inyo mga sano kasi ito lang naman tayo. Kung mayroon mga maso, kailangan yung pang ano. Dito.
Ang pasalubong sa Aikal.
Masalubong sa kapag patayo yung mahihina yung katawan. Dito, mas lumang bilhin mo.
Tangawon din ako ng vlog ni Sir ba?
Pulanon sa no?
Wala sa no? 10,000 na daw yung followers. Wow,
Di, ang subscriber, 10,000 kapin, ang views na mo, nasa 20,000 dong.
wow. Okay, sila playa po itong kauban. Vlogger po.
Mag-monetize pag marami ka ng ano, kaya wala hindi pa kami nag-monetize. Sana. Kasi mayroon nang naka-umpisa mag-record.
Wala siya naging low, nag-vlog ka.
Vlogger. Kasi nung natalo ko si Lechon, when I was lost in the election, I have to think something that I will go to somewhere. My son will tell you, you have to really make a vlog. Kaya naging vlogger kayo, Bulanon sa no. Ito, ngayon na-meet natin itong mga negosyante sa Ubay. Yung mga milyonaryo, kahit hindi tayo milyonaryo, kasi sa kaldero kasama tayo sa lasa.
Milyon utang na.
Pag mayaman ka, kailangan mamutang ka.
Hindi lang ang hair, sir.
Dapat kang mabili siguro na. Abang ko, yan na.
Hindi pa nyo tayo. Dari mo gaspan.
Bigas na, bigas. May malaywa, kasarupan eh.
Ako, di dami sa tungod bayo. Tungod bayo ng mali. Sir, asas.
Basta ko pa naman po.
Sir. Sir, kamu ba? Ikaw ito na po. Kuan, quarry o ganang vlogger station.
Asa ka din mo? Oo, asa. Pero na, nagbaligya ka doon. O deliver mo. Pero asa rin ang natin? Oo, mo.
listen.
Hindi naman, putong may tindahan. Guys.
How much siguro di siya kani? 1.5? Kani? 1.5 hectares?
Dili, ma'am.
Dili ni iya kani?
Di ba mao? Wala niya mga 2,000 square meter.
Kani na kay owner. Kay sir.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement.
Ballin' non-sano.
Change it, experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way.
Like, comment, subscribe, follow.